If you want to make your small business website more robust and dynamic without breaking the bank, I'm going to show you a super cool trick here today that not many people know about or know that you can do. Basically, if you're building your own website, you want to make it look dynamic, update with content, but it's hard to do all of that all the time. So I'm going to show you a little trick to have fresh content that your customers care about loading onto your website all the time that makes you look really up to date. I'm using Mighty Sites to build this cleaning business website. If you're not familiar with Mighty Sites, it's only $9 a month. I'll put the link down below. So if you don't have a website, check it out. Or if you just want to save some money, check it out. And basically, what Mighty Sites is just a very easy website builder platform. You can do this trick even if you're using any other website platform. What I'm going to show you is universal. I'm just showing it using Mighty Sites. I'm going to add Instagram to the website based on hashtags. So even if I don't keep my Instagram up to date, I still want to keep fresh social media content flowing onto my website to make it look very robust and engaged and even provide value to my potential customers. I can add Instagram based on a hashtag, not just an account. So I'm going to show you how to do that today in this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to ElfSite and I'm going to put the link down below. Now ElfSite is free or cheap to add really robust widgets to your site, and ElfSite and Mighty Sites have a partnership to work together. So they're both to work in tangent with each other. So I'm going to go over here to what's called an Instagram app. So I'm just going to go to ElfSite and I'm going to create an Instagram app. Now it's going to look like this, similar to this, and go right on my website. Now, if, again, I don't want to use my Instagram or any specific Instagram, or maybe I don't have an Instagram, but I know my customers use it. So I'm going to go over here to hashtag and I'm going to enter an Instagram hashtag. Since I'm building a cleaning business website, one that makes total sense that my customers might find valuable is cleaning tips, right? That's really popular. So now I'm searching for posts with the hashtag cleaning tips on Instagram. And what that's going to do is let me have a full feed of everybody who's posting about cleaning tips. Now that's going to show up on my small business website for my customers. So check it out right here. Here are the latest posts and tips, and I can click through right here for cleaning tips. I didn't have to do any work, but now this just made my website a whole lot more dynamic. All right. So I'm going to click done. That's all I have to do. I'm going to click on publish up here at the top right and close. And then all I'm going to do is click on install. Now that's going to give me code right here that I copy. Look, now you're a developer. I clicked on copy code. I go back to my Mighty Sites website and make sure I'm in editing mode. Yes, I am. Then I'm going to scroll right down here to update section. And this gives me a spot to paste in my ElfSite code. So I'm going to paste in the code right there. That's all I have to do, and click on save. Widget saved successfully. Now I'm going to close that. I'm going to go up here to stop editing mode. And now, as I scroll down, I've got an Instagram feed of all these cleaning tips that are flowing onto my website. It just looks nice and professional. Even these people are posting green in their posts that really stands out and matches the look of my website. And now I've got all these cleaning tips flowing onto my website. And you can do this for whatever type of business just based on the hashtag that people are using, which they use all the time. Hashtags give you a common thread of posts. If you're liking this video, hit like and subscribe so that you don't miss other great tips for building your own small business website. And give either of these platforms a try. We'll put the links down below to both of them. Both have free trials, Mighty Sites and ElfSite, to build a really nice small business website without breaking the bank, and you get to do all types of cool things like this and add them to your site. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll respond to you. Give these platforms a try and make your own website just a little bit more robust and engaging by leveraging hashtag content from Instagram to feed onto your small business website. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll catch you in the next video.